To make a fishing rod in Minecraft, you will need to gather the necessary materials and follow a few simple steps. The primary materials required are 3 sticks and 2 pieces of string. First, open your crafting table to access the 3x3 grid. Next, place 1 stick in the bottom middle square of the grid. Then, place 1 piece of string above the stick in the middle square. Place another piece of string above the first piece of string in the top middle square. Finally, place the remaining 2 sticks on either side of the top piece of string in the top left and top right squares of the grid. This configuration will create a fishing rod, which you can then use to fish in any body of water in the game. It is essential to note that you can obtain string by killing spiders or by finding it in abandoned mine shafts. Sticks can be crafted from wood or found on the ground. With your new fishing rod, you can catch a variety of fish and other items, which can be used for food, decoration, or other purposes.